Hey guys, this week on Heysabri, I'm answering Lars Folkman's question. Hi Sabri, you have previously mentioned that you audio record your goals and listen to them. Do you do that for both long-term, yearly, quarterly, and monthly goals? That's a great question. So basically the way that I do it is I think like, what are my big picture goals that I'm trying to achieve over the next 12 months that are definitely a huge stretch, or maybe even 12, 24 months. I'm talking about, you know, really goals that stretch you and you're like, holy shit, how am I ever gonna make that possible? And then typically I'm going to be having them written down, and then I'm going to be recording those. And I'm going to be speaking it in a way that I've already achieved those goals, right? So it might be, for instance, for you, like I turn over $1 million a month, or I turn over $1 million a year, or I have 5,000 clients who pay me X amount and I receive this. And that's just like the business ones. Then you want to be talking about like, you know, your family ones, or your spiritual ones, or your health ones, and you always want to basically be recording them like that you've already achieved them. Like I'm in phenomenal shape and I have endless amounts of energy. And those big pitch ones that aren't going to be changing all the time, and they're the ones that you really want to indoctrinate yourself with. And then once you've got that down, then I'm also having like very strategic like quarterly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. And they're the ones that are written down, and they're the ones that are in my calendar with the actual day-to-day tasks that I need to do to go out there and execute them, because those things change and recording them every day is not going to be an efficient way. Typically, you want to start with your big picture, huge stretch goals, write them down, record them, pop them in your ear, listen to them every morning, listen to them every night, and then look at your goals for the quarter, for the month, for the week, for the day, and see if you're on track to making that a reality. I hope that helps. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag Heysabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.